Hi everyone, Marlene here with Buffalo Check Chicks. Happy Easter! So I did just a little Easter tablescape this year, only for 4. As you know, I've been packing up my house, so all my pretty Easter goodies are packed away. But I managed to do a little. So I put down a pink tablecloth and these straw pink placemats. These chargers here that I just love. Whoopsie. And on each place setting, I have one of my Bavaria plates. I would say this was set for a nice little luncheon. This in the center of the table is a lace. It's just like a pink square. It's just gorgeous lace. And it has florals on it. I set that right in the center of the table and show you all these beautiful plates. And then I'm going to show you how I did these napkins. But aren't these plates just so pretty? And I've also used my Depression pink glasses and my golden flatware. Just have a big basket in the middle with this pretty little bunny I've had for years. And some little pastel eggs sitting in a bed of Easter grass. Quite simple, but very pretty. Let's go on the other side. So here's this little plate here. Also Bavaria. I think they're so pretty. And this one. Just beautiful hand-painted, very old plates. And I love how the napkins came out. So that's it. My very simple, yet very pretty, I think, Easter tablescape for 4. So I do want to show you how I have made these napkins. So stay tuned. I'm going to do a little quick tutorial and show you how I folded those. And happy Easter, everyone! Okay, so I think these are just so sweet, and they're so easy to do. So all I have done is I've taken my napkin and folded it into a triangle. And then down here where the point of the triangle, I just roll it up. Until it looks like this. And then I just fold it up like that. And I just used a little floral ring. You can buy these little brass rings, and I just attached a little rose to it. And I just bring it down like that. So easy. And then I pop this is a little faux egg. Now you can use something like a Cadbury egg and maybe wrap it in pink tissue paper so it's pretty and use it as a favor maybe for your guests. So just put your little egg in there and adjust it so you can see the egg. So there's your ears, your little egg, and a little flower on top. And I think they are just so cute. But that would make a really cute little gift for your guests or children with a little Cadbury egg, maybe wrapped up in pink tissue or something. So that's it. So simple. All right, you guys, Love you guys. I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Happy Easter.